Welcome, my dear students. Today's our topic is searching in data structure. So, learning outcomes of this video. After watching this video, the student shall be able to apply searching principle. Searching. What is meant by searching? Searching is the process of finding some particular element in the list. If the element is present in the list, then the process is called successful and the process returns the location of that element. Otherwise, the search is called unsuccessful. There are two types of searching. First one is called as a linear search and second one is called as a binary search. So linear search is the simplest search algorithm and it is also called as a sequential search because in this search we can search the element in sequential manner, that is one by one. In this type of searching, we simply traverse the list completely and match each element of the list with the item whose location is to be found. If the match found, then location of the item is returned, otherwise the algorithm return null value. So for example, as you know, it is also called a linear or sequential search. So we can perform the search operation by using array. So here the array is defined, the list of array element is given. The list given above is the list of elements in an unsorted array. So linear search can be applied on sorted array or unsorted array both. The array contains 10 elements. Suppose the element to be searched is 46, then 46 is compared with all the elements starting from the 0th element and the searching process. So first it is started from the 0th element, 46 is compared with the 0th element, that is 10. 10 not equal to 46, then it will go for the next element, that is 1. Again 1 is not equal to 46, again it will go for the next element. Again it will check 9, 9 not equal to 46, again it will go for the next element 11. 11 again not equal to 46, again it will go for the next element. So here 46 equal to 46. So searching process end here where 46 is found or the list end. The performance of the linear search can be measured by counting the comparisons done to find out an element. The number of comparisons is big O n. Another example, again here the list is given and element for search is 33. So it will start from the first location of an array element. So 33 is compared with 10. 33 not equal to 10, it will go for the next element, that is 14. 14 is again not equal to 33, it will again go for the next element 19. 19 is not equal to 33, again it will go for the next element 26. 26 not equal to 33, again it will go for the next element 27. 27 not equal to 33, again it will go for the next element 31. 31 not equal to 33, again it will go for the next element, then here 33. 33 equal to 33. So here the search element will be found at the ith position. If the element is not present in the list, it will check up to the last element of an array and the search is unsuccessful, that is element is not present in the given list. The algorithm for linear search, here we have to define the array A and the search element X. Initialize I equal to 1. Then step 2, if I greater than n, then go to step 7, that is print element not found. Then the third step is if a of I equal to x, that is element is found, then go to the step 6, that is print element x found at index I, and go to step 8, that is exit. If the element is not found, then we have to increase the value of I by 1. So set I is equal to I plus 1. Again, repeat this procedure until the element will not found. So go to step 2. So this is a simple algorithm for the linear search. Then we implement this algorithm by using C programming. So the program is given. So here one array list is defined, that is int a of 10, and the elements are initialized in the array. Then print item which to be searched, that is scanf %d and item. Then take the for loop for I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Then apply the condition if a of I equal to item, then flag is equal to I plus 1 and break. Else flag equal to 0. If flag not equal to 0, so items found at the location, that is flag, else item not found. The output of this program, enter items is to be searched, that is 20. So 20, it will give the output item not found. Again, enter item which is to be searched, that is 23. So item found at location 2. Thank you. हे असं त्यांना कळतच नाही.